Bonjour tout le monde. Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. So today we are going to learn the numbers in French. So let's start. In French, the numbers we call them les nombres. Les nombres means the numbers. So in this video we are going to learn 0 to 20. इस वीडियो में हम 0 to 20 नंबर्स पढ़ेंगे. तो सबसे पहला नंबर है हमारा 0. फ्रेंच में हम बोलते हैं ज़ेरो. ज़ेरो. नेक्स्ट इज 1. अ 2. द 3. थ्रुआ. 4. quatre. 5. cinq. 6. 7. 8. with 9. neuf. 10. dix. 11. onze. 12. douze. 13. treize. 14. quatorze. 15. quinze. 16. seize. 17. 17. 17 is 10 plus 7. 10 plus 7. 18. 10 plus 8. These with. In this we put hyphen. Starting from 17. 19. These enough. 20. Wa. So there are number of the in French. You learn it. We will continue from 21 in next video. Thank you for watching this video. If you like my video, please click on like, share and subscribe. Have a nice day. Bonne journée. Merci. Au revoir.